Sunshiners. Today I'm showing you how to prepare your cake pans for baking the cake and having it come out with no drama. I love this. My grandma, my Nana, when she was teaching me how to cook, she showed me how to line the cake pans this way, and I just scored it, and then you can see the light circle there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my scissors, and I'm simply just going to cut it out. I'm going to save this piece for later. This is such an easy method. My cakes come out perfect every time. It's a no muss, no fuss. This is wax paper that I'm using. And I have not tried this particular method with parchment paper, so I don't know if that works just as well. I just turn the cake pan, and then I put the curly side down in there. And I'm just going to pour my cake batter right in there. And then I'm going to cut around the sides after it's done cooking. And then when I flip it over, the wax paper is going to help me get my cake out. And I had already done one for this size of pan. I saved my extra bits of wax paper for other cakes that I'm going to make. And you can see how easy this is. You just take the knife and you score around. You got to be careful so you don't damage the paper. But other than that, it's pretty easy. And I love this method because my cakes, I don't waste cakes this way. And I did this one for this size of pan. Again, I just took my knife and I went around here until I made a nice score on it. And this is the way I make patterns for my cakes. This is the way I make patterns for sewing. I love to use wax paper. My crafting, for the most part, doesn't stick to wax paper. It's pretty inexpensive to use. And like I said, my Nana taught me how to do this, and I just absolutely love it. And she used to take these pieces and she would cut them like this, and then she would stick a quarter or whatever, a dime, a nickel, and then she would encase it in the wax paper, and she would bake it, and whoever got the coin in their slice got to keep it. And we were always so surprised that it was in there. But that is an easy way. Now, like I said, I'm going to make my cake, and I'm just going to pour my batter right in here. And after my cake's done baking, I'm going to let it set for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take the knife and I'm going to go around like this. And then when I turn the cake over, I'm going to peel off this sheet of wax paper. I hope my videos help you, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day.